Alright, what's going on, everyone? We are live right now. Thanks for tuning in tonight. I hope y'all all had a great Thanksgiving and that y'all got to spend some time with family, as y'all all should. So, jumping into the markets today. Happy holidays, and want to thank y'all for coming by. I want y'all to also go check out the new website that I just made. It's CryptoTakeOver.io. Oh, okay. I don't know why it's down right now. That's weird. Let's try it again. There it is. Okay, yeah, CryptoTakeOver.io. Y'all can get signed up for the newsletter that I will be doing updates on. Maybe not weekly right now, monthly. It's just a busy time. But if y'all are having a good evening so far, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Like this channel, like the video, I guess. You know, if y'all like me doing updates like this. Sorry, I haven't been away for a while. I just been pretty busy with family and stuff too, so I've been trying to deal with that. But let's jump into the markets real quick. I'll just give y'all my sentiment. I don't plan on staying on for too long. But ByBit trading competition has begun today. So I don't know if y'all got signed up with any groups or not. My affiliate link is down in the description below. Don't really recommend leverage trading by any chance, but you know, if you want to try to learn a new skill, which that's kind of the way I look at trading, is like I'm trying to learn something new to benefit my life a little bit better. Y'all can start off by using the test net on ByBit, which would be probably pretty helpful if you're new at trading. I know that I jumped straight into the market and straight into leverage trading, not knowing what I was doing, and yeah, it didn't turn out too well. So, but now I've taken the study. I've started to I've put money into courses and also bought Market Cipher as well to try and help me with trading. And Market Cipher does have a great Discord group too that's willing to help. So I think CryptoFace's brother helps out a lot with it as well. But yeah, as you can see here, I'm using SR, and we have our 2 pivot points here. And this is what we would probably trade off of. So we'd probably wait till Cipher B comes really to a swing high above this 60% range, or to a swing low below that 60% range, and then we would consider a trade possibly there. And we'd probably want to wait for it to touch one of the pivot points and then to have a swing low again. So as you can see here, I was kind of testing this out, but we had a buy signal put in. What I would probably wait for also is wait for like a buy signal to be put in. Sorry, my computer's just being lame right now, saying it's not charging, but it is. And so what I think my strategy right now is to probably trade off of the 10-minute time frame and maybe just do wait for these signals to be put in, maybe some longs or some shorts, and then decide whether or not it's at the pivot point, whether or not Cipher B is above the 60% mark or not, and then go in based on that. We can see our VWAP here looks like it wants to come down a little bit, maybe retest some of these lower low areas. So looks like today we had a really swing high, 7600. So that was pretty impressive. You know, I'm like over there with family, like looking at my phone the whole time too, you know, looking at crypto. So, and crypto Twitter was pretty entertaining today as well. So still some bearish sentiment going on right now in the market. So we just want to make sure we have our heads on straight when we're in these markets as well. So it does look like we're going to have like a little bit of a swing high here with our bullish divergence on our 30-minute. Let's go into the 2-hour, see what's going on. 2-hour in a little bit of an overbought position, maybe a swing low possibly, or this could turn into a green dot. And based on our 30-minute, it looks like it probably wants to swing back up, put in a green dot. So that's that should be interesting. It should be fun. Maybe see some green money flow here as well. Let's go into some of our higher time frames. Take a look at our 4-hour. Our 4-hour was pretty impressive because when we came out of this, when we popped up to that swing high of like the 7600, we had been so oversold on our Cipher B pattern, and that head and shoulders is what we were all looking at, right? and then it had its swing high, and our price target was 8K, but it doesn't look like we quite hit that yet. I mean, we could end up going up there to test 8K as well, but honestly, I feel like that's going to be a pretty strong resistance point for us, and it still looks like we might want to come up and test it a little bit. As you can see, there's still a lot of shorts. Our shorts are paying out our longs right now, so you might be better off in a long position right now, which is cool. So I would say that we'd probably like come back down to retest like the 7,300 area maybe, or something like that, and then continue our way upward for the time being. That's short term. So let's take a look at our 8 hours, see what's going on. 8 hour doesn't look like it quite wanted to make it up too far out of this little hole of the 6,500 area. So that's why I'm saying we could see some like pullbacks here, and then we would just have to kind of wait it out to see what happens, and to see if we can go a little bit higher or not. Let's take a look at our 12 hour. I think our 12 hour, I was like kind of looking at it earlier. It doesn't look like we quite came out of the woodworks on our zero pivot on Cipher B, which is also kind of a bearish indication. If this VWAP crosses down, we'll put in probably a red dot, and that could probably mean a yellow X or a blood diamond that will be put in, and then that would probably take a while to fulfill, maybe like I would say probably a week, and then we could see some downwards pressure here too. So short time frame, yeah, mid time frame. Short time frame is looking kind of bullish. Mid time frame looks like we still want to like come back down a little bit, and then obviously our higher time frames. If we go to our 3-day, we're still trying to put in a green dot here as well. We haven't put in a green dot. I did want to take a look at our 1-day to see. I think we did have a buy on our 1-day. Yeah, we had a buy signal on our 1-day. So, but that could take a while to play out. Could come back down, retest, and then continue back up. Come back down and retest maybe 73 area. So 3-day. Let's see what our 2-day has real quick. 5x long, no buy signal yet there. 4-day, 6-day. Kind of looking like we want to put in that big green dot, you know, which would be pretty bullish. Same with the 6-day. The weekly also. Hey guys, if y'all are interested, I'm thinking about doing a Ledger S giveaway. So comment down below. I'll update more details on that later on, but right now that's kind of the plan, is to do a giveaway. And I have an unopened Ledger S, so I think I'll probably want to give that away to someone. But yeah, stay tuned for that. All my other links are down in the description below. We're still waiting on that 1 week, and also the 2 week still looks like it wants to come down a little bit. Once we hit the zero pivot on the 2 week, I mean, that could signify some more downwards momentum. Honestly, like what I would love to see is everything time up on the down below the Cipher on Cipher B. See how everything timed up here at 3,500? Like everything, all these higher time frames timed up at 3,500. 3,500, and then our 3-day 3,500 was a big green dot right here, but it looks like we could come down and put another big green dot, and then on our 5-day, big green dot. Our weekly, big green dot at 3,500. 2 week, big green dot, and honestly, like that would be the most significant way to know that we have hit bottom. And I think it could play out like here on our 2 week. If once we pass the 0 point, we might want to see some downwards momentum more. But honestly, in the short term, in the short to midterm, it looks kind of bullish, like relief rally a little bit. But then once we start getting into like the long-term plays, it's looking kind of bearish. So I'm still saying December is going to be a turning point for us. We really just need to figure out what's going to happen in December. So stay tuned, y'all. I'll be giving y'all an update probably by tomorrow or something, or if we have a big jump maybe by tonight. But yeah, if y'all are interested in anything y'all can, or any supporting the channel or whatever y'all want to do, check the links down in the description below, and I'll speak with y'all soon. All right.